know the distance in between these two buildings, what we do know is that the distance in between makes two right triangles. So the angle of elevation obviously is 47 degrees and the angle of depression is 36. If you did not know, elevation means up and depression means down. What else can we see from this graph? Don't be afraid to pause and look thoroughly. So let us have a look at sine law. So with sine law, you can choose only two. Basically what that means is A over sine A equals B over sine B. Or you can switch it up, it doesn't matter, just two of them. So the sub-questions are, how far apart are the two buildings? So in order to do that, let's plug in everything. So 120 divided by sine 36 is equal to x over sine 54. Then sine 36x is equal to 97.08. After that, x is equal to 97.08, and then divide that by sine 36 and you get x equals to 165. So the second question asks, how tall is the building viewed by the camera? What they're asking is, how tall is the other building? So what I did was 165 divided by sine 43 is equal to x divided by sine 47. What you're going to do here is you're going to cross multiply. After that, you get sine 45x is equal to 120.67. Then x is equal to 120.67 divided by sine 43. After that, the final answer is x equals to 176.93. But actually, that's not the final answer. The final answer is 176.93 plus 120.67, and then you get 296 meters. I rounded up to the nearest tenth, and this is what I got. Thanks for learning. See you next time. Bye. Hello. Welcome back again. Today we're going to learn cosine law using acute triangles. So the question states, an ice cream company is designing waffle cones to use for serving frozen yogurt. The cross-section of the design has a bottom angle of 36 degrees. The side of the cone is 17 centimeters long. Determine the diameter of the top of the cone. So the cosine law is mainly used when we can't really find an answer using sine law. So what it is C2 is equal to A2 plus B2 minus 2AB cos C. All you have to do is just plug in. So a picture is basically an isosceles triangle with sides equaling 17 centimeters and an angle of 36 degrees and a top that is unknown. So our equation is c squared is equal to 17 squared plus 17 squared again. Also, note this. Once you get to the negative 2 times 17 cos 36, separate that from the first half of the equation and then later on add it. So 578 plus negative 467.61. You take the square root of c squared equal to the square root of 110.39. After that, after you take the square root, you get 10.50 centimeters as the top height. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for learning.